What are you doing? You having a bath? Who is that?
Kanan.
Hi, Kanan. Kanan Thomas Gruft? Gruft? How old are you?
Mommy.
Hello. Is it going to be Halloween? What are you going to be?
Kaya.
A pirate? And are you going to go out and say... What do you say? Give me candy.
Daddy.
When do you get candy?
Ghost. Ghost.
Ghosts give you candy? And what night is that? Halloween? How do you say that? How do you say that word? How? Say it loud. Halloween. And you go to the door and you knock on the door and then you say...
Kaya.
The pirate says, trick or treat. Oh, yum yum. Oh, yum yum. Does that taste good? Does that taste good? Where'd you go? I just see eyes.